Okay, if you are a GCU student, in the library, you have access to research guides. All the resources that you need to learn about the research process. Let me show you where this is, and then please come in and use this to help answer questions. Research guides. Once you get here, there's a lot here, but focus on doctoral research, and then it'll give you two more options here. Select doctoral research again, and then right here, choose the guide that you need. If you're doing a qualitative study, if you're doing a quantitative study, or if you're in the DMP program, there's a guide for each one of you. I'm going to choose quantitative because that's where my heart is. But check this out. Everything that you need to know about the research process, getting started, organizing your research, preparing for the lit review, how you create alerts in the library databases. This one really caught my attention, establishing the problem space. So you come in here, you can read a little bit. There's some resources here from Dr. Mall. What are gap statements? Developing your research question. There's a step-by-step guide. Lots of tools in here that you can use to go through and just help you guide your research, building your theoretical framework where you can go to understand all of that. Data collection and analysis. Here's all the different resources that you can pull up and reference to help you learn how to do all of that. So go in and take a look and see what you can find, and hopefully it will answer a lot of the questions that you have, and it will put you on the path toward a successful dissertation.